Hello everyone, I am Resume GS Cote from BSE 3B and I am here to talk about roofing materials under the subject of building system design. So first, let us define what is a roof. A roof is defined as the uppermost part of a building which is constructed in the form of a framework to give protection to the building against rain, heat, snow, wind, and the likes. It basically consists of structural elements provided at the top of the building for the support of roof coverings. So for the roof to be well planned or built, it should be first durable against the adverse effects of various agencies such as wind, rain, sun, and etc. Second, it should grant the desirable insulation against sun and heat. Third, it should be structurally stable and sound and should be capable of taking the loads likely to come over it. And lastly, it should be well drained and have efficient waterproofing arrangement. So generally, there are three roofing methods of construction: the pitched roof, the flat roof, and the curved roof. So pitched roof is also known as sloping roof and it usually comes with different technical terms which are the following. I won't read it anymore so you can just pause the video and take time to read it. Next is the flat roof. So flat roof does not necessarily mean that it should be perfectly laid flat. It is just a roof that is nearly flat. It should be noted that no roof can be laid perfectly level and its slope must be in one direction or the other to cause rainwater to flow off rapidly and easily. So next, there are actually two commonly used flat roof, the Madras terrace roof and the Bengal terrace roof. So here's the procedure in making Madras terrace roof. Again, I won't read it anymore. And here's how it looks like. And here's for Bengal terrace roof and how it looks like. So to continue, these are the advantages and disadvantages in using flat roofs. Next one is the curved roof. Curved roof is essentially a roof that has a curved shed style shape. The style is perfectly for those customers that wish to stand out from the crowd. They are actually useful for big structures such as factories, monumental works, and etc. So here's the procedure in doing so and the advantages of this kind of roof. So let us proceed to the specific types of roofs used in construction. First is the galvanized iron sheet, which has two types, the plain and the corrugated. So the plain galvanized iron sheet is usually used for gutter, flashing, expansion joints, downspout, and etc. On the other hand, corrugated galvanized iron sheet is used for roofing and sliding materials. So here are the pros and cons in using galvanized iron sheet. I won't read it anymore, so just take time to read it. So next is the asbestos sheet, and here's how it looks like. So as far as I know, asbestos sheet is now banned in construction industry since it is widely regarded as a silent killer which can go often unnoticed, and the idea of its presence in the building surrounding you is enough to create feelings of uneasiness and concern. So there are actually 6 kinds of asbestos roofing: the standard corrugated sheet, the 4V corrugated sheet, canaletas, placa romana, tenor corrugated sheets, Ardex lightweight corrugated sheets, which has two types, the standard Ardex and the super Ardex. To add, these are the advantages and disadvantages of using asbestos sheet. So the following slides will show the different kinds of roofing system in construction. The Banawi metal tile roofing, Marcelo roofing system, color band clip block, Milano long span steel bricks, color band custom orb, and lastly brick tile roofing. So that's all and thank you. If you have any questions, you can find me at escote.resume@gmail.com.